7 really useful cleaning hacks for your car. Buying a car requires a big investment from you. Therefore, it becomes imperative for you to take care of it properly. If you thought that cleaning your car would burn a deep hole in your pocket, you are mistaken. Listed below are 47 easy car cleaning tips that will not only save you a great deal of money, but will also help you witness professional quality cleaning. Number 1. Essential oils. When you get into your car, do you experience foul smell? Instead of investing a huge sum on car fresheners, you can do a simple trick. Dip a wooden cloth pin in few drops of essential oils, lavender, almond, or any other oil of your choice, and attach this pin to the AC vent to get rid of foul smell forever. Number 2. Vacuum clean the dust. Usually, when you clean the dust in your car with a cloth, it goes off from the particular space and settles in another place. To avoid this internal spreading of your dust, you should vacuum clean the dust thoroughly as you brush it. Number 3. Wheel bleach. Are your car wheels looking rugged and muddy? All you need to do is mix some bleaching powder and Lysol. Dip an old rag in this solution and wipe your wheels neatly to see the difference. Your wheels will get the shine back thanks to this simple trick. Number 4. Foam brush for cleaning AC vents. The AC vents in your car are more prone to accumulation of dust and debris. If you are finding it difficult to clean them, here is a simple tip for you. Use an old paint or foam brush in a flexible way between the vents to clean dust thoroughly. Number 5. Toothpaste for headlights. Are the headlights of your looking dirty, cloud, or foggy? If you want them to shine brightly and look as clear as new, you have to apply some whitening toothpaste on the lens of these lights and scrub well. Rinse off nicely to see the transformation in the highlights. Number 6. Iron to remove wax. If you have kids, you must be prepared to find crayon stains all over the upholstery of your car. Sometimes melted wax from candles and crayons can make your car look messy. All you have to do to remove them completely is to iron a piece of paper over the affected areas. When the paper gets hot, it absorbs these stains easily. Number 7. Cleaning knobs and buttons. When you want to remove the dust, mold, grease, and other dirt particles settled on the knobs and buttons, you have to use a foam brush and vacuum cleaner simultaneously so that these unwanted elements are sucked in by the cleaner immediately. Number 8. Air filter. The foul smell inside your car could be because of dust or debris accumulation in the air filters of your vehicle. If you have a removable filter system, you should check, clean, and replace when needed. This filters on a regular basis for best results. Number 9. Old toothbrush. Sometimes you need simple and flexible tools to get into the interiors of vents and other parts of the car to clean dust particles settled inside. An old toothbrush can soft and flexible bristles is the right choice for this work. Number 10. Olive oil for leather interiors. If you want to keep your leather upholstery and interiors clean and shining, you can make use of olive oil in the right quantity. Wash your leather interiors with soap before wiping them with few drops of olive oil to get much loved shine and texture. Number 11. Remove trash thoroughly. Often, the trash that is left lying in your car is the cause of all problems like a foul smell, fungus growth, dust accumulation, and the like. To ensure that you clean your car thoroughly, you should slide the seats of your car in all the directions. This will help you perform a detailed check-in every nook and corner of your car. Number 12. Clean with screwdriver. Are you finding it difficult to clean the interior knobs and other remote parts of your car? A simple screwdriver can solve the problem for you. Wrap the tip of the screwdriver with a soft cloth and clean the hard to access parts thoroughly. Number 13. Thick bumper stickers. Are there thick bumper stickers on your car that are refusing to go? The glue on these stickers doesn't go off easily. Therefore, a simple trick to get rid of this is to use WD-40. Spray some WD-40 on the sticker and allow it to settle for a few minutes before peeling it off the stickers easily. Number 14. Dryer sheets for bugs. When you are using your car after many days, you will find that moisture and mildew content would have caused bugs infestations to your interiors. You don't have to spend a huge sum to get rid of this. Apply wet dryer sheets on your seats to get rid of this problem completely. Number 15. Top of the windows. Our windows are not clean most of the times because we don't clean them properly. When we clean, we have to focus on the top of the windows. These are the areas where grime and dust get accumulated. Therefore, it is important to clean the windows thoroughly. Number 16. Cleaning vinyl and leather thoroughly. What will you do if the dust particles have settled nicely on your vinyl and leather upholstery? What if they don't go off with regular cleaning? A simple trick is to dip an old toothbrush in a solution containing soap water or diluted castile soap and use it rigorously on the upholstery to see the much desired shine. Number 17. Use alcohol. Wipers can leave a terrible mark on the windshields of your car if they are not cleaned properly. A simple trick to get rid of the accumulated slime and grime in your wipers is to rub them with a generous dose of alcohol and allow them to dry for a while. Number 18. For extra shine. If you want the coating of your cars to give out a shine that you see in showrooms, you have to rub a clay bar along the wet coating for a car for a few minutes. Clay bars can absorb all kinds of dust and thus leave your car spotlessly clean and shining. Number 19. Homemade washing liquid solution. Car detergent solutions are getting quite costly these days. However, you don't have to bother about that because you can make an easy washing solution at home using simple ingredients like grain alcohol and water in the ratio of 3:4. You can add 1 spoon of your regular detergent to this solution for best results. Number 20. Use squeegee effectively. If you have pets, you should expect pet hair all over your upholstery, thereby leading to dust accumulation and respiratory problems. To avoid this, you can use squeegee and water in a spray bottle for best results. Number 21. Clean the floor mats. Dirty floor mats in the area not only sources of foul smell, but they also carry germs that can cause health ailments. You need to clean them regularly. However, before putting them into the washing machine, apply generous doses of stain remover on them. Number 22. Lanolin-based conditioner. Want to get a waxy and shiny look on your car to make it look like a brand new model? Apply some hair conditioner, any lanolin-based ones, on a cloth and wipe your car regularly with this liquid. Number 23. Q-tips. If you want to clean the small details like logos, trays, cup holders, etc. in your car, you can make use of Q-tips. Their cotton tips give you more detail in cleaning. They are easily available and affordable as well. Number 24. Homemade upholstery cleaning solution. If you want a nice shine texture on your upholstery, you can make a simple cleaning solution at home. The ingredients that you would need for this are 3 spoons of treated soap, 2 spoons of detergent booster, normal detergent powder would do, and 2 cups of boiling water and 10 drops of an aromatic essential oil. Number 25. Cleaning slime. Slime can also help your car get a good finish and shine. You can make this easily at home by mixing about half cup of liquid starch, 4 ounce bottle of any glue, preferably that of Elmer's, and 1/4 cup of water. Number 26. Nail polish for cracks. When you are driving at high speed, a small stone or pebble can hit against your car, causing a small crack on your windshield or other parts. If you don't want to crack to deepen any further, you should immediately apply a layer of nail polish over the cracks. Number 27. Homemade air freshener. Take about 1/4 cup of baking soda inside a mason jar. Put a few drops of an aromatic essential oil on it. Use a ring to close the jar with a nice breathable fabric and put the jar in your car's cup holder for a pleasant smell. Number 28. Vodka for cleaning. Take any cheap brand of vodka and mix some pastel soap in it. Dip a cloth in the solution and wipe your windshield with this for a sparkling shine and finish. Number 29. Magic erasers for upholstery. Wet magic erasers can absorb all sorts of stains and dust from the upholstery of your within minutes, making the vinyl and leather to shine again. Number 30. Use kerosene. Make a solution of kerosene and water to clean your car thoroughly. Wipe dry after the cleaning process to get back the storeroom-like shine in your car. Number 31. Vaseline for leather interiors. If you want to prevent your leather interiors from cracking or stains, you need to wipe it regularly with a Vaseline dabbed cloth. Vaseline not only protects your skin but also safeguards the interiors of your car during the harsh winter season. Number 32. Cola to remove rust. If you want to clean rusty areas in your car thoroughly, you don't have to invest in strong cleaning solutions. All you need to do is to pour some cola over the affected areas and allow it to settle for a while so that the acid in the cola absorbs everything. Clean it off after a while to see the magical change. Number 33. Quick fix for bad smell. Sometimes due to sweat and dust accumulation, your car emanates a foul smell. If you don't have time to prepare a freshener, all you need to do is spray some baking soda on the seats and leave it for an hour or so. After an hour, vacuum clean your seats to experience a nice smell. Number 34. Baby wipes for windows. Have a pack of baby wipes or wet wipes in your car always. You never know when you would need them to clean the interiors, windows, or just about anything else. Number 35. Keyboard cleaners for cars. When you cannot wipe off the dust from the vents and other remote areas thoroughly, you can use keyboard cleaners that use compressed air to suck out the dirt particles from the interiors. Number 36. Steel wool. When windshields become grimy and cloudy, it affects your visibility while driving. If you don't want to use alcohol or vodka for cleaning these windshields, you can use steel wool. It helps you to scrub off all the grime within seconds. Number 37. Homemade interior cleaning liquid. You can keep the interiors of your car clean and fresh always with the help of this easy home solution. You need to make a solution using 1 cup of distilled vinegar, 1 cup of club soda, and 1/2 cup of dish soap. Pour this into a spray bottle and use a scrubbing brush to scrub off the dust on the interior of the car. Number 38. Scented wax. Most of the times we get scented candles as gifts, but we hardly use them properly. Take the scented wax and put it in a glass mason jar. Cover the jar with a breathable fabric and place it in your car for a great smell. Number 39. Newspaper and window cleaning spray. When your windows become too cloudy and affect your visibility, all you need to do is to spray a generous dose of any brands of glass or window cleaner on it. Wipe it off nicely after a while with an old newspaper for best results. This trick doesn't work for tinted windows. Number 40. Newspapers for stickers. If a sticker doesn't come out easily from your car, you can apply wet newspaper over it and scrub with full force. The sticker should come out quickly thanks to this technique. However, if it still doesn't come off, dipping the newspaper in a nail polish removing solution and then applying over the sticker would do work for you. Number 41. Vinegar for removing salt accumulation. During heavy snowfall, there is too much of the salt on the road and it affects your car. If you don't want your car to get stuck in this, you have to spray a solution of water and vinegar under your car to get it moving smoothly. Number 42. Hand drying. Irrespective of washing your car with professional and homemade solutions, you should always hand dry it with a soft towel to get rid of all the water spots and make it look like new again. When you hand dry your car thoroughly, you will see a natural shine in your car. Number 43. Club soda for hard stains. If you find hard stains on your upholstery, you need to first pat dry them. Then, dip a cloth in a generous amount of club soda and start patting the stain. Leave the damp cloth on the stains for a while. Soda will absorb all the stains, therefore, this trick is great for stain caused by red wine, coffee, etc. Number 44. Charcoal for bad smell. If your car emanates a bad smell, here is a simple trick for the same. Place some charcoal briquettes underneath your seats to see results almost immediately. Charcoal absorbs foul smell within seconds and leaves your car smelling fresh and clean. This is not only an effective method to beat bad odor, but also an affordable method. Number 45. Coffee filters for cleaning. It may sound a bit strange, but coffee filters can be used to clean your car in many ways. They are very affordable and you can dip them in olive oil or vinegar to clean the stains of your car interiors and get back the shine on them. Number 46. Window washer liquid. For clear and sparkling windows, you can make a simple solution with easy ingredients right in your home. Water, rubbing alcohol, and vinegar are the 3 ingredients needed for this. Mix these 3 and pour them into a spray bottle for regular use. Number 47. Clean cup holders. Most of the times, the cup holders in your cars contain a lot of junk. To avoid this, you can use silicone cupcake liners as inserts in these cup holders. Whenever you want to clean this, all you need to do is to take out the liners and clean them thoroughly. We hope you keep these simple tips in mind when you clean your car. This can not only save you a lot of money but also a lot of time, as most of these are quick fixes to stop further damage to your cars. Share your thoughts and comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.